Hello, and welcome back to A Four-Born Life. I'm Marie. I'm a gardener, treasure hunter, book lover, artist, and runner. Welcome to my channel. So it is 11:43, and we are getting ready for our run. We're going to bring out the old year and bring it in the new, so you can see on that clock. We have our Google set for military time. The tradition we started some years ago. We run out the old year and we run in the new year. This is our old year, new year. Okay, there's my husband running because I stopped to do the fireworks. But we are out running. Fireworks again. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Santa's. Wow, that was a big one. Yeah. People around in the neighborhood. Trying to catch one more. Okay, so we're back from our run. We ran in the new year, and it was a lot of people shooting off fireworks, and it was a lot of cars.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but so many cars. Going through the neighborhood, you can still hear people still shooting off fireworks, but we're excited. 2025 is here. I hope that everyone will have a blessed and happy, safe new year in 2025. I am unplugging the Christmas trees. It's time for all of the lights to go out. Bye-bye. Time to go, kitchen Christmas tree. I'm so glad we had this time together. All right. The kitchen Christmas tree has to get unplugged. I've already unplugged that, and now it's time to unplug my beautiful mantle. Maybe I'll just leave that on for a little while. Oh, look how plain my living room Christmas tree looks. Plain, plain, plain. I'm gonna leave my daughters plugged in until I start officially taking everything down. So that's what I have so far that I know of that's not work related. I'm going to pencil in my accountability partners until we actually confirm. Yep, and that is what I have so far. Come back and watch us meet. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.